This is the SkyGenius 35 watt cool white LED bulb, 6500 degrees Kelvin. It did not survive being mounted in a lamp that fell over, which is the only reason I'm going to tear it apart, because this was awesome. I'm going to pause it now and remove some screws. Okay, I've got the screws loosened up. They were about Phillips number ones, but not absolutely positive. And unfortunately, it's looking like at least some of the electronics are wanting to come with it. Oh, no. I see what's going on. One screw just isn't quite out all the way. And my apologies for the hissing, clunking, and buzzing noise you're hearing. That's an oxygen generator. My wife just had some lung surgery. Okay. Well, that's actually remarkably well done. It's all potted. Everything's sealed together. Yeah, I can't complain much about that. Not sure how much isolation is in there, but it probably doesn't matter in the US. Anyhow, that's obviously pretty much a as simple as it gets circuit board here. Pretty much all these strips are in series, and looks like that's all in series with the stuff at the top, which would be attached to these other two connections on the other side of the board. And we might actually be able to see those wires into that gap. I don't know whether we can see in there or not. I'll try zooming in. Oh, not through that hole. Or that one. Oh, we can see one of them through there. So that's not lining up with the white one there. It is lining up with that other connection. Yes. So yeah, that is how that works. Keep turning it and see if I can see the other wire, because it looked like that wire should have been the hot. Looks like both wires are white. Well, who knows? It might actually be running on AC. Oh, I see. One wire's gray, and I probably can't tell the difference through the hole. Okay. The whole thing is very solidly made. Let's pause it again, and I'm going to take these screws out and see if we can actually see the end of the heatsink. Well, I had hoped that I would just be able to remove those screws and these strips would slide out and allow us to see the end of the heatsink, but that does not seem to be possible. You have to settle for a really good look in there. But this heatsink appears to be all one piece. There's fins in there. It's really massive. Very, very solid construction. I mean, you can see there's a little scratch on the plastic, and that's actually where it hit the metal part of the lampshade when the whole thing fell over, and it fell about 5 feet onto concrete when that happened. And that's the only damage, other than that the base broke off. And that base looks like it was intended to be changed to suit local requirements. I don't know what that would screw into. There might be something somewhere it does, but it looks cut off. So I'm pretty sure this was intended to have a different fitting for different parts of the world on it. This is actually the third one of these lights. I have two of the smaller ones that are only, I think, 25 watts. And I've got them in my garage light in the backyard. And they have survived where nothing else has survived. every LED or compact fluorescent I've put in those fixtures has died within a matter of a month or two. And these things are still going strong after over a year. Anyhow, that's it for this. Hope this helps you make your decision easier. I'm going to put this thing back together, and I'm going to find some way to use it, even though the socket's broken off of it.